Running a business is not easy. It requires capital. You can either bootstrap it or you can look for investors. Now, this is one of the ideas that Amin, one of our colleagues, was exploring, that if a solo founder wants to find out where the investors are, how is that person going to look for that information? Now, Ventures Hub is a tool that Amin created in order to create a database of investors. The way this tool works is the AI has scraped some information that is publicly available online and created a database out of it. Now, on the left, you can see different stages. So you can choose if you want to go for angel, seed investors, growth stage investors. That totally depends on what stage you are in, and then which country. So we have got some data from different countries here, and there are 34 more, and certain sectors as well. So if you operate in fintech only, you can only find fintech investors. And so this is something that might be useful for some founders who are looking for investors. I want to show you certain key features here, and if you're a founder, do give it a try. And if you're an investor watching this and you don't see your name here, let us know and we can get it added here. Let's say I want to look only at United Kingdom, so everything else gets removed and then you can only see things in United Kingdom. Of course, United Kingdom at this point is concentrated only on London. I'm guessing that's because the data is available for London mostly. You can filter by the stage of investor, so you can also get information about that. Now, these are just quick filters that you can go ahead and use. Here you have list of all investors. It comes with some name, the headquarters, what type of investments they typically do, whether they do angel investments, seed stage, so that's the stage here. Certain investors have some check size, so what kind of investments, the amount of money they put in. And this is the active state, so this information is currently available online. Now, other thing that we have got here is you can export this data if you like. You can also go ahead and check the investor's portfolio, so you get to see more information. You get to see notable portfolios, so they have invested in Grab, Taldesk. Now, this company is 500 global. They are typically an accelerator. They are actively investing, seems like it. They seem to be present in these many countries. Now, the information on the investors is pretty good, but the most important thing here is that Ventures Hub app actually helps you do a reach out. Let's say you want to reach out to one of the partners here, and I have selected Betty Yang. It gives you an email draft. Now, this is automatically generated by AI depending on the information that it has about the investor. So this is a nice add-on for you to go ahead and do your first outreach to your investor. You can also send a LinkedIn message, which is much more concise, and then you can go ahead and copy this response and send it on email. Now, let me try this out. I'm going to edit some founder information. You would have to enter all this data here. Alright, so I have edited my founder information. I click on save. It autofills the information here, and it can generate an email or it can generate a LinkedIn message. Now, this is not a big feature, it is a small thing, but it basically tries to contextualize your message based on the investor's information, and you don't have to do extra research on that specific investor. So it just simplifies your work a little bit. You can do that for different investors and you have all this information available for you. The second thing you can do is also favorite it. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it as starred and see them over here if you want to do the reach out later. Now, finally, this tool was built in Biscuit. Now, Biscuit is a platform where you can build apps like these, but also you can build apps with much more complex workflows. I have switched to a view which is a Biscuit project. Now, this is not related to Ventures Hub, but I just wanted to show you a demo of the project itself. Biscuit comes with built-in database, it comes with workflows. We visualize the logic that is there in your code instead of showing you the code. We also have brand kit, and then we support multiple chat threads. Biscuit also comes with built-in payments. So if you want to commercialize or monetize your app, you can easily do that and get started with your monetization from day one. I hope this serves as an inspiration. If you have an app idea similar to this, you can go ahead and give it a try in Biscuit. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.